Hi, Guru Guruvar. If you own a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, any vehicle for that matter, then this video is for you. I would be taking up the aspect of NCB, which is commonly known as no claim bonus. Not many of you would be knowing what NCB is all about. Today I am going to open up and reveal lot many details about the NCB. We always sold a old vehicle and bought a new one, but seldom have we actually transferred the NCB. The no claim bonus which is given to us on our vehicle insurance, we have hardly looked at it and transferred that onto the new vehicle. Yes, you heard it right, the NCBs are transferable onto new vehicles. So ये NCB क्या है? No claim bonus as it's commonly known as, ये owner को मिलता है. The owner of the particular policy gets rewarded for riding and driving the vehicle safely. In case if there is a claim, obviously the NCB goes down. But whenever we do not claim in the particular policy year, the NCB goes up every year. It starts with 20% and goes right up till 50%. You might ask me whether the NCB from another vehicle can be transferred onto a new vehicle. The answer is yes, but there is a catch. If at all the previous vehicle that I sold was registered on my wife's name, that NCB cannot be transferred onto the new vehicle in case if the new vehicle is registered under my name. That only means that the owner has to remain same in both the policies, the old vehicle as well as the new vehicle. And yes, remember, if you have a two-wheeler and you buy a new four-wheeler, all the NCBs on the two-wheeler cannot get transferred onto the four-wheeler. तो ये गलत सोच में मत रहिएगा that in case two-wheeler का जो भी NCB होगा, I can transfer it onto the four-wheeler. It will not happen. A two-wheeler NCB can only be transferred onto a two-wheeler and a four-wheeler onto a four-wheeler. Keep that in mind. You may ask me, how can the NCB be transferred onto the new vehicle? It is simple. Assume karo, I have an insurance A and the new vehicle that I am taking is also insured from the insurance company A. Then in that case, you will not need the NCB reserving letter. NCB reserving letter is a letter which tells the insurance companies that an X amount of NCB is been accumulated and that is been transferred from one asset to another. If the insurance company is one, you need not take a NCB reserving letter. You might ask me, who gives the NCB reserving letter? Well, we need to reach out to the insurance company and seek a reserving letter from them. Assuming if it's the same insurance company, we did not take the reserving letter. But in case मेरी previous गाड़ी का insurer insurance company A था and the new vehicle will have an insurance company B, then I need to reach out to insurance company A, seek a NCB reserving letter and then subsequently give that letter to the new insurance company. Let's look at one more example. I have an old vehicle and I am going to purchase a new vehicle next month. Next month गाड़ी आ जाती है and subsequent to that, after a couple of months, I sell off my old vehicle. All the NCB and the NCB reserving letter, can I claim the NCB in the existing new vehicle insurance? Answer is no. You cannot use your NCB reserving letter and the NCB therein in midterm. You will have to wait for the new vehicle's insurance to get renewed, and at renewal the next year you can use the NCB reserving letter. There could be another question that मैंने नई गाड़ी तो ले ली, but my old vehicle is standing at the dealer's workshop. What do I do? How can I transfer the NCB? In this particular case, what you need to do is to take a letter of undertaking from the dealer. A letter of undertaking from the dealer has to be taken within 90 days of your vehicle being there with the dealer. And you also need to intimate the insurance company stating that this particular vehicle is standing at the dealer's workshop and the NCB needs to be transferred as well. What are the documents that are needed to transfer NCB? A couple of documents that are needed is your application to transfer the NCB, NCB reserving letter, the car insurance copy, the buyer and seller agreement which comes under form 29 and 30, the delivery note of your old vehicle, as well as the booking receipt of your new vehicle. मुझे NCB कब नहीं मिलता? There are two scenarios where we do not get NCB. One is अगर मैंने मेरा इंश्योरेंस 90 days के अंदर रिन्यू नहीं किया, so that means the renewal date के बाद within 90 days if I do not renew the vehicle insurance, the NCB ceases to exist. And second, अगर in this particular policy year if I claim on that vehicle, the NCB becomes zero. I will not be entitled to any NCB at all. Subsequent years it will again start from 20% onwards and go right up till 50%. Whichever year I claim, the NCB will become zero. In life we have always upgraded our vehicles. I had a small vehicle few years back, then I got into a sedan, and today I am talking about purchasing a SUV. Let's take this as an example. The sedan which I have is already accumulated 50% of NCB. And the SUV that I am going to buy, the insurance cost is going to be 2 lakh rupees. Once I transfer the 50% of the NCB onto the new vehicle insurance, the insurance amount will come down by straight away 50%. Isn't that lovely? But most of us usually fail to do this because all these years we have only been thinking that the NCB is for the vehicle. Please remember in bold letters that the NCB is for you, is for the owner, not for the vehicle. So friends, now that you know the importance of NCB, please utilize these features and transfer the NCBs to your benefit. All these years we have missed out big time and lost a lot of money. With Think trying to empower you through these Guru Guruvar series, try and make best use of all the information that you get. And yes, in case if you are still left with some questions, do write into us on the numbers that are getting flashed on the screen right now, or you can utilize the chat box and send us the questions and we'll try and answer all your queries. So friends, now that you know the importance of NCB, ride and drive safe and accumulate as much as NCB as possible and be rewarded. What's in it for us next week? It's going to be a very different video and a very interesting video. Stay tuned for the same, and before that click on the like button as well as subscribe and press the bell icon for regular notifications and informative videos that we keep releasing every week in the Guru Guruvar series. Guru Guruvar.